These cycling POV videos are going absolutely viral right now. This Instagram page has hit 2.2 million followers and is pulling in hundreds of thousands of views per video, and their videos have hit 24 and 8 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Cycling POV Generator and click on the first result. Open the GPT and click Start the Generator. It'll instantly give you 10 cycling POV concepts to choose from. Pick any idea that you like the most and copy it. Now paste that idea back into ChatGPT and type, "Give me detailed image prompts and video prompts for every scene." ChatGPT will now generate image prompts and video prompts for every scene. Now your image and video prompts are ready. Copy the first image prompt. Open Flow AI and create a new project. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Select your aspect ratio and choose the number of images you want to generate. Then click Generate. Wait for a few moments. Now your image is ready. Copy the second image prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Keep the same settings and generate the next image. Repeat this process until all scene images are generated. Once all the images are ready, go to the Image to Video section in Flow AI. Upload the first image. Now, copy the video prompt that ChatGPT generated for that scene. Go back to Flow AI and paste the video prompt into the video prompt box. Click Generate Video. Within a few minutes, your video will be ready. Repeat the same process for every image. Generate a separate video for each scene. Once everything is finished, download all the generated videos. And that's it. This is how you can easily create AI cycling POV videos right now. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI content tutorials.